Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Deepa and I really hope you people are doing well. Welcome to my reset routine. This is a type of routine that I try to follow once every month. I cleanse every possible thing around me. I clean my cupboard, I clean my bags shelf, I clean my bookshelf. I do a bunch of skincare. I do every possible thing that can make you feel better to enter the next possible month, to make myself, to make my stuffs, to make my surrounding look presentable to the next month, and to to feel better. And a reset routine always doesn't mean healthy or being healthy all the time. You can also take a chill pill, and you can also have something that you are craving for. Today I'm craving for some yummy cheese Maggie. I'm gonna go and make some yummy cheese Maggie. I'll also jot down everything that I'm supposed to do this particular month, my monthly goals, my weekly goals, my daily goals. All these things being said, let's get started. So here is my yummy Maggie, cheese Maggie. I'll watch my favorite show and I'll have some Maggie. Then I'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, so now that we have some food in our system, let's go and start with the very important task, which is cleaning. Yes. Firstly, let's start with cleaning our bags shelf because that should not take more than half an hour. And then we are going to shift towards our bookshelf, which is going to take a lot of time because I have reached a point where my books does not fit into my bookshelf. It's totally full. मेरे किताबें, मेरे copies, my notes, I have it in two shelves. Plus, I do have a separate place where I keep my journals, I keep my daily notes and all those things. We're supposed to clean that up. But first, let's go and clean our bags shelf. I'll show you the before and then I'll show you the after. We are just gonna remove and clean the dust particles from there because bag shelf is organized in the proper way. I don't want to disturb the way it is. We are just gonna do a quick dusting. Let's go. Then with the shelf, this is how the first shelf looks like. A few of the miscellaneous things and my clutches. I have kept this place aside for my perfumes because I am collecting perfumes. I'm also collecting perfumes these days. ये मेरे स्मार्ट वॉच का कवर है, ये मेरा परफ्यूम है और बाकी कुछ परफ्यूम्स इधर लगे मुझे रेडी करके रखने हैं. And this is the third shelf, which is the actual bag shelf, and I absolutely love this one. This is a gift, इसीलिए इसको पैक करके रखा है. And yeah, this is my newest purchase. If you know, you know. Then this is also a very important section जहाँ पे कि मेरे सारे बैग्स रखे हैं. यहाँ पे मेरा कमर का बेल्ट है. I mean, yep, the waist belt. यहाँ पे मैंने बहुत सारे ऐसे ये चीज़ें रखे हैं फॉर पैकिंग करने में बहुत हेल्प होती है. सो आई एम स्टोरिंग ऑल दोस थिंग्स विथ माई टोट बैग, विथ मम्माज टोट बैग. एंड ये भी एक शेल्फ है जहाँ पे कि मेरे बैग्स, बहुत सारे बैग्स यहाँ पे भी हैं जो मैं डे टू डे बेसिस में यूज़ नहीं करती, बट आई स्टिल हैव देम, सो दे आर हियर. एंड दिस लास्ट वन इज मिसलेनियस थिंग्स जो अभी मैं नया खरीद के लाई हूँ या फिर मुझे कुछ रिटर्न करना है. एंड ऑल दोस थिंग्स आर केप्ट इन द लास्ट शेल्फ. सो द बैग्स आर डन. नाउ लेट्स गो and get our bookshelves done because bookshelves बहुत टाइम लेने वाले हैं. I'm going to show you the before and of course उसके बाद हम लोग मिलकर उसे क्लीन करेंगे. Let's go. Okay, so this is my bookshelf. Let's clean it up. is also my bookshelf. Oh my god, इसकी हालत ख़राब है. I was supposed to clean this one up and that one up. Let's go. I need to stop the recording वरना ये पूरा एक जन्म लगने वाला है. I'll show you guys once I'm done. शेल्फ से तो सब कुछ निकाल दिया, बट दिस इज द कंडीशन ऑफ द टेबल राइट नाउ. कैन यू बिलीव all of them are just my books. First layer, second layer, third layer, fourth layer, fifth layer, sixth layer, seventh layer, eighth layer, I don't know. एंड ये तो अब तक मैंने टच नहीं किया है. आई नीड हेल्प. ये सब निकाल तो दिया, अब मेरे में एनर्जी नहीं है इन सबको वापस रखने के लिए. आई नीड अ कॉफी ब्रेक. दिस इज द प्रोग्रेस सो फार. जैसे तैसे करके मैंने बहुत मुश्किल से सेट किया. 2 बॉक्सेस में बुक्स फुल हैं, कॉपीज फुल हैं, और ये भी सब मेरे हैं जो कि शेल्फ में बिल्कुल भी जगह नहीं हुआ. और वो दूसरा शेल्फ उसे मैंने यहाँ ला लिया है मेरे स्टडी टेबल और मेरे बैग्स क्लोजेट और मेरे एसेंशियल्स के पास. बेसिकली मेरे एरिया में आई एम गोना कीप ऑल माई बायोलॉजी बुक्स ओवर देयर एंड माई करंट पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन के नोटबुक्स ओवर देयर. बट आई नीड अ ब्रेक राइट नाउ, सो लेट्स टेक अ ब्रेक. उसके बाद बाकी का क्लीनिंग करेंगे. ट्राइपॉड भी वहाँ है, कॉलेज बैग भी वहाँ है, बट आई नीड अ ब्रेक. हाय, I'm back after God knows how many hours because I started cleaning my bookshelf in the afternoon and now it's the night. I'll pop up the pictures of how my bookshelves look right now. Now moving towards the next step of the reset routine, which is very important, is moisturizing. Of course, after cleaning all these things, you become so dirty. I also became so dirty, so I had to take a shower. I did my full body scrub, face scrub kind of thing. So I'm not gonna do much more skincare right now. I like moisturizing it and that is it. And रात को सोने से पहले I'll just apply a face mask या फिर एक शीट मास्क. मोस्टली शीट मास्क बिकॉज मैंने काफ़ी टाइम से शीट मास्क यूज़ नहीं किया है एंड आई डू हैव अ फ्यू. I have already moisturized my face. Now it's time to moisturize our body. For this, I am using the Cetaphil moisturizing cream. Me and my mom, we both use the same. And this is really, really nice. It nourishes your body so well. You're supposed to take a huge amount of this. And nourish your hands, legs, everything. Now we have moisturized. Now going towards the next step, which is setting the mood or setting the vibe of the room in which you work or in which you create content or in which you sleep or in which you study. So for setting the vibe of the entire room, I use this one. This is the Aromatherapy by Bath and Body Works, and this is the Blackcurrant plus Cedarwood variant, and I absolutely love the way it is. Its smell is beautiful. I like spraying it on my bed sheets, my pillow covers, so that when I sleep, this can calm me down. This can give me that instant relief that I want, and this can also set my mood to sleep because I have a severe problem of not getting sleep at night. Smells so good already. So let's move towards the next step, which is cleaning our devices: phone, laptop, हार्ड डिस्क एक्सेट्रा. हार्ड डिस्क में मैंने इतना ज़्यादा रखा नहीं है क्योंकि जितना स्टोरेज है वो मेरे लैपटॉप में अभी फिट आ जाता है. एंड या सो नाउ लेट्स जस्ट गो अहेड एंड क्लीन आवर फोन एंड आवर लैपटॉप. Journaling the entire month out, like planning the entire month out, the monthly goals, the weekly goals, and dividing it into separate daily goals. ताकि whenever you look towards the planner, you know exactly what you're supposed to do in that particular day and the next day. Right after journaling is oiling your hair, which is very important. This should be done once a week or twice a week if you can do it. एंड जरूरी नहीं है हमेशा कि आप तेल जब लगाओ उसके अगले ही सुबह आपको बाल साफ करना हो. आई डोंट शैम्पू एवरी टाइम आई ऑयल माई हेयर बिकॉज यू विल सी ड्रास्टिक change in your hair if you oil them, and if you don't oil them you can clearly see the visible difference. Watching your favorite show, or taking a chill pill. Basically watch a YouTube video that if you want, or watch an episode of a show if you want. Take a chill pill, and with that I like having green tea, so let's just go and do that. And the final step of this reset routine is picking a book for the month or completing the book that you are already reading. For me, I'm already reading this book called A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. I'm supposed to complete this book in this entire month, but the thing is, exams are there, my semesters are there, college wale hame chhodne wale hain nahi. So this is my 10-step reset routine that I try to follow every single month in order to keep myself organized, in order to keep my surroundings organized, my things organized. I really hope you people like the video. If you do so, do hit the like button to subscribe to my channel, and yes, do comment कि आप इनमें से क्या करना चाहोगे, and do comment if you want me to do any other videos, any other video ideas. If you have, you can put it out in the comment section, or you can also DM me in my Insta. That was it for today, guys. I will see you super soon in another video. तब तक के लिए keep spreading love, keep smiling, and take care of yourself. Spread love, spread peace.